Welcome back everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to make jalapeno poppers. Alright, so to get started we want some green jalapenos. We want to just slice the top almost all the way down and through, and then we're just going to make a line just like that, just so we can open the jalapeno up, and then we want to take the seeds out. And if you're lucky you should be able to get that membrane and seeds out all in pretty much one go. And I just want to do that to the rest of them. Alright, so you'll end up with your jalapenos at something like this. So what we want to do now is just hold it open. I'm going to get a nice little slice of camembert in there. And then I've got some beautiful South Australian chili jam we're going to get in there. And then I'm also going to squeeze a little stick of sharp cheddar in there. And we just want to move it aside, brush these seeds away. Just going to lay down a slice of prosciutto. Start on one end, right around the top. We want to end up with something like that. So we've got our camembert, chili jam, sharp cheddar, prosciutto. And now all I'm going to do is top them off with some steak shooter rub. And now these are ready to go once we get our barbecue set up, which is what we're going to do next. Alright, so we're going to lay a couple of firelighters down, light them up, get our charcoal chimney on the top. And because it's not a large cook, I'm just going to fill it up about halfway. Now we'll give that about 10 to 15 minutes until it's caught light properly. Alright, now our charcoal's ready. We'll take our chimney off for a moment. We'll take this cooking grate off. I'm going to keep the charcoal basket in the lowest position and dump our charcoal in. And I'll leave the cooking grate off from that right side. Then we can shut our lid, open up both of our vents, and just give this a few minutes to preheat. Alright, and we are pretty much at temperature, which for this cook is going to be around the 350 Fahrenheit or 175 Celsius. Just got some smoking wood ready, a nice little chunk of cherry. I'll get straight on that fire. And then we will get these beautiful jalapenos on this far side opposite to where the fire is. And then we'll shut our lid and check on these in about 20 to 30 minutes. Alright, it's been a little over 20 minutes. Ooh, and these are looking good. As you can see, some nice crisp prosciutto. You can see some cheese melting out of that end one. Jalapenos have softened up. I reckon these are ready. We can get these out. Now these are going to be super hot, so I'm just going to cut one open so we can have a look. And then I'll let it sit for a minute before we try it. Those cheeses together are so good. That chili jam, the jalapeno, nice chili kick. That prosciutto, the seasoning, that's a good combination. Well, there you have it. There's a bit of a leveled up version of a jalapeno popper. I usually just stuff them with cream cheese, wrap them with bacon, and they're done. Definitely give them ones a shot. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask them in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. But for now, that's the end of the video. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.